going to the Philippines. We will surprise Nanay and my family in the Philippines. They don't know that we're going on vacation. So it's a surprise.
Ito, Ayan ha. Telephone number na yun. Dito is...
Okay, Kuya. Hi, Kuya.
Ito kanina.
Yan, sinusulatan yung mga boxes. Hi, Ayan! Oh, who you're gonna surprise?
Most of my cousins.
And who's the most important one? Nanay. Hi, Ayan.
I'm not a baby anymore. I'm in the airplane
I
now.
know, right? Are you excited to see Nanay? Yeah?
Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines Small
Ayan na, we're here. Hi kayo.
The local
Kuya.
time is 31 minutes past
Yay.
the hour 4 in the morning, and the date today is Sunday, the 14th of December
No, don't take it.
2025. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Yay! Keep going, Ayan. Mga nakasakay, oh. And we're getting the boxes now. Ayun na, ang dami. Pagka lalabas, boxes. Bali, ilang box? 10 boxes.
Ikaw mag-guide sa akin.
Isa. Nandito na kami. Hindi masyadong haggard na, di ba? Ayan! We're here na! Wow!
Itong kulori, ijad mo.
Sa kabilang table, oh. Enjoy lang. Pinoy. Ang dali lang mo?
What's up, what's up? Pre, shout out pre, shout out. Shout out. Video. Correct. Birthday boy. Ay, correct. Shout out kayo. Shout out. Ini sigara na ba ito?
later. Daming bodyguard, oh. Pagyan naman. Pagyan lang, medyo angkora. Bodyguard, oh. Ang dami, oh. Hoy, ano? Ano yan? Pambata yan, men. Akala si Ian. My goodness, ang dami mong bodyguard. Ayan, ah. It looks like an eye, right? Look, it's a big eye.
Globe.
Oh, that is so cool.
Global port.
Oh my gosh.
Global port.
Asan? Oh, there's an IKEA here. Go with daddy. Nay, size ng paa nyo. Size ng paa nyo. Size ng paa nyo. 8, 9, go, Nay. Ayan, mga nag-change na ng mga shoes nila. Tignan natin kung magaling sila sa bowling. Anak ka na, nakre-ready na, oh. Ayan. Let's see. Ayan, so first time mag-bowling.
First time bowling.
Ayan, let me see. Ayan, si nanay din first time. Wait, first time nyo ba kayong mag-bowling? Oh, first time daw nila, oh. Kung sino ang pinaka-lowest siya maglilibre. Aray ko. Ayan. Oh, ayan na yung mga pamangkin ko. Si Alexis, oh. Ako una. Ayan, oh.
Papalagay natin yung guard. Ready, here it comes! And... back! No score! Bang! Nice try, nice try! Come on, come on, come on! First attempt! Go, Nicole! First attempt, first attempt! Go, Lucas! What the heck? Go, go! Yun, oh! Uy, nangyari. Dalawa.
Go, Alexis! Oh, gitna, oh. Ay, no, kumino. Go, Pia, your turn.
Wala. You can do it! Oh! That's cheating! That's cheating! Ano na? Angas naman yung
Ayan.
Pak! Grabe, Lawrence!
Wow! Alay, dalawa. Wow! Spare yun.
Eh! Wow!
Oh, gitna. Oh!
Perfect yan, perfect.
Nakabangkit sa tali mo. Sige, linangin tayo. Sige, yan. Ay, your turn. Si mabalaw ka lang siya. Oh, nanay's turn. Nanay. Zumba.
Uy! Perfect! Perfect!
Wow! Kalain mo yan na spare! Wow! Sana lang. Wow! Ang galing ah! So ayan, nag-order kami ng boba. Cheesecake daw. Yun yung famous nila. So while waiting for our order, they're all sitting down in here. Ano, yan ang mga order namin lahat. Kanya-kanyang halo.